My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Welcome, my beauties. If you are new and just joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today's video is going to be an unboxing, and I guess just I don't want to say a battle because they're both Ipsy, but just a comparison between the standard Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Plus. And this is for the month of June. So if you are interested in seeing what I got in each of these subscriptions, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Pretty please. Alright, so I've gotten my Ipsy stuff and I honestly don't even think like BoxyCharm has sent it off. Last time I checked, they hadn't, but I've also been in a coma for like almost a week. I finally got a nerve ablation on my back, but it like really hit me hard this time and it was hard to recover. But yeah, I actually emailed BoxyCharm one time because all the people like that get sent BoxyCharm for free, like they get their boxes early. Like I'm not even asking for a free box, but I had emailed them asking if there was any way that I could, you know, get them sent out maybe a little earlier because I have a YouTube channel and I would like to, you know, do the videos on them because the people who like upload them first are gonna get the most views. But they're like, no, we can't do that. It's like, of course not. Of course you're not gonna give that privilege to anyone who you're not sponsoring. And like, no matter how much you say you're giving a completely like honest opinion, when you don't pay for something, it's your opinion is influenced by that, whether you think so or not. It is. Like, you don't tend to exaggerate on, you know, some of the more negative qualities because you're like, hey, I didn't spend my money on this. But an Ipsy Plus is $25. So let's see what we got. What? I think I added add-ons, but is that what this is? Like, why wouldn't it be with my glam bag? I got this Ciate London Glow to Illuminating Blush. Wait, I'm so confused. Ugh. This is like a mini Ciate London. Ooh, that's really cool looking. Ooh, that almost has like a duochrome kind of effect. Hold on, I'm so confused. I need to see if this is my add-ons or what. Okay, yeah, that was not my regular glam bag. I must have ordered this like add-on. Okay, what's this? K-Voss Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter. Let's look at this. It's sad when I'm blacking out and not remembering. I don't know. Okay, so this is in Moonlight. This is a pressed highlighter, yeah. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Ooh, it's really like buttery and smooth. It's a really pretty color. Yeah, so I guess this is a Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing and a few add-ons. Alright, so let's get into the Ipsy Plus. Okay. Oh, it's not even... Did they just stop giving information cards? Ugh, whatever. Okay, so for the Ipsy Glam Bag, here is the bag. I mean, it's okay. I like that they have like both white and black girls on there, especially like this time in history. Okay, so the first product is this Araceli Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner in Night/Noche. So I'm assuming this is a black liquid eyeliner. I convinced my friend to get a subscription box, and she ended up choosing Ipsy Plus, and then she ended up canceling it. She was like, I had gotten so many eyeliners. I'm like, I understand, girl. Like, I think you should switch to BoxyCharm. But I can't tell you how many eyeliners, liquid and kohl, I've gotten from Ipsy, but I use them. Oh, that's a really dark black. That's pretty nice. Okay, so next is, oh wow, this looks nice so far. This Flesh to Flesh highlighting powder, and this is in 300 Boost. Here's what the container looks like. Ooh, that might be like perfect for me. Let me see what it says. Dewy, luminous, lit from within, finely milled, soft pink minerals catch the light, blah, blah, blah. So this is full size. It retails for $28. So it has a 4 out of 5 review. Ooh, that looks like a really pretty color. Ooh. So it's this one right here. So the other one, that K-Voss, was a little bit brighter, but they're both gorgeous. Eyeliner was $16 it retails for. Okay. Alright, next we have, oh wow, this is full size. This is the Pure Lease Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes for all skin types. So it says Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk is infused with Blue Lotus, soy milk, whole oat, and white tea to gently wash away dirt, impurities, and makeup in one simple step. This smoothing multitasker leaves skin pure and clean without stripping skin of its natural oils. You know what? I think I've had a sample of this before. I think I might actually still have it in my... I don't know if it's in the Blue Lotus one though, because it's in a white container. I would think it would be in a blue one if it was the Blue Lotus. But it is like a cleansing milk, and I actually really like it. It's super gentle, like on your eyes, but it does a really good job. Let me see about this. So this retails for $36. So next we have these Jejune Wake Pure sheet masks. So there it says set of 6, so I'm guessing there's 3 in each. Retails for $15. It looks like there's a couple different kinds in here. Let me see. Okay. I put that I don't like sheet masks, like, and I always freaking get them. Okay, so yeah, there are 3 different kinds. We have a calming mask, we have a nourishing avocado mask, and this is a Wake Pure Sea Berry brightening mask. The brightening mask and maybe the nourishing mask. Well, I might try all of these. Actually, I've been trying to use sheet masks more since I get them so often. I just used one the other day, so I might use them. And then, oh my gosh, the last product I'm so excited for. I picked it, and I already have one of these products, so I know like how amazing it performs. And it is the Ciate Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow, and this is in Entwine. So it says apply using fingertips for best results, and multi-reflective, long-lasting metallic glitter hybrid. So, oh, and this is like really big for these types of products. What reminds me of these most is, of course, like the Hourglass ones I'm using, but back in the day I was obsessed with these Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill, and it looks, it came like out of the pan or out of the little thing. Oh, I was gonna say it looks like it's bigger, but it's just the container. The actual product isn't bigger. Oh, it like came out. Stay. Oh my gosh, these are so stunning. Look at this. Oh my gosh, these are probably, it's between these and the Hourglass Scattered Lights that are my favorite, like, cream to powder eyeshadows. And I really love these Ciate ones. There's hardly any fallout, and they are so pigmented. Like, they really make your eyes pop. I kind of almost want to put some on right now. Should I do it? This was an all matte look, and it's all matte's hard for me. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. It's like, I need glitter. Yeah, this powder to cream formula coats eyes in metallic light pink pigments. So full size is $24. Oh, look at that. That's just stunning. Let me use my fingers too, because I think, oh my god, I can't. Look at that. So stunning. I am actually really happy with this Ipsy Plus. Like, in the beginning, when I first started getting my Ipsy Plus, I was super impressed with them. And then it seems like for the past few months, I don't know, like, it's just been kind of going downhill. But I really think that they made up for it this month. So the retail value is $104, and it was, the retail value is $104, and it was a $25 box. So that's definitely not something I can complain about. I'm loving this highlighter. I'm loving this cleansing milk. Really loving this Ciate liner since I picked it and all. I mean, the black liquid liner, I can always use it, but is it super impressing? No. And then the She Masks, they're not my favorite, but I'm trying to get into them, and I can definitely put these, one pack of these in for a giveaway. So let me know what you guys thought of my Ipsy Plus down in the comments below. Let me know what you've gotten in your Ipsy or Ipsy Plus in the comments. And yeah, I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.